Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make faceless YouTube videos for free using AI. So if you want to start a channel but don't want to appear on camera, then this is the workflow you can follow. First, choose a topic for your channel. It could be tutorials, storytelling, facts, documentaries, or any niche you're interested in. And once you have your idea, create a script using AI writing tools. And you need to make sure your script has a strong opening because the first few seconds decide whether viewers keep watching it. Next, turn your script video into a voiceover using an AI voice generator. You can pick a voice that matches your content style and sounds natural. After that, you can create visuals for your video. You can use AI generated images, AI video clips, free footage, or screen recordings depending on your topic. Then put everything together using a video editor. You can add captions, background music, transitions, and effects to make the video more engaging. Finally, create a good thumbnail and title because even a great video needs people to click on it. So that was how to make faceless YouTube video for free using AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.